Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive into troubleshooting your furnaces, including common error codes and practical steps. I'll provide a detailed guide, focusing on common problems and incorporating code examples where applicable, primarily relating to sensor readings and control logic. Important safety precautions asterisk. Power down asterisk always turn off the furnace power at the breaker before attempting any work on the unit. This is crucial to avoid electric shock. Asterisk gas shutoff asterisk if you suspect a gas leak or if you're working on gas components, shut off the gas supply valve to the furnace. Asterisk carbon monoxide asterisk never operate a furnace that you suspect is not venting properly. Carbon monoxide is odorless, colorless, and deadly. Install and maintain carbon monoxide detectors. Asterisk qualified technician asterisk if you're not comfortable working with